Now, do you want to recover from exercise and be able to build lean muscle mass as fast as possible? Well, that's all going to be contingent upon the food that you're putting into your body. Now, we're going to teach you exactly how to boost your ability to recover. Make sure we hit like and subscribe first so that way we can get more information sent to you as soon as possible. Now, protein. Protein is the building block behind every single cell in your body, and your muscle cells are no different. Now, when it comes to protein, it's been a hot word on the health market for a while, and people have been consuming a lot more protein than they should be. So first of all, we want to make sure protein is within a healthy range, and we do not want to go over that range. And that's about 0.8 grams per body weight. But when it comes to protein, we also want to make sure it's high quality, because we're taking low quality protein, well, then our body is getting low quality building material to create new cells. So then your recovery is going to be lower too, and it's going to take longer to recover. And also your inflammatory markers are going to be higher as well. So when it comes to getting quality protein in your diet, we have formulated 3 distinct blends for you. First is the grass-fed whey. Whey protein is very important for muscle building, for recovery, and it's the one from Max Living has got some great stuff in it. First of all, full spectrum of amino acids. Second of all, it's got this probiotic, prebiotic, enzymatic blend. Now the enzymatic blend, it helps break down the protein so then it's more readily available for your body to use for recovery. And then also the probiotic, prebiotic blend is very important for healing the gut. And if we can heal the gut, we can also recover faster as well. Now, the reason why it's grass-fed, and grass-fed is very important, is because grass-fed whey is high in something known as CLA. Now, CLA is it's actually a trans fat. It's the only naturally occurring trans fat known to man, but it's got some cancer-fighting benefits, but also some recovery benefits as well to help you recover faster. Now, my personal favorite is the bone broth protein. Now, the bone broth protein, once again, it's got a full spectrum of amino acids in it, but it's higher in something known as glycine. Now, we have glycine and we have methionine that are in different tissues. Now, methionine is higher in muscle meats. Glycine is higher in organ meats. Well, if we go back to our Paleolithic ancestors, they were consuming a lot more organ meats than we are today. So they had a glycine-methionine ratio that was pretty even. Right now we have methionine up here, glycine down here. And this uneven ratio is it's correlated to cancer, heart disease, and pretty much every other metabolic disease known to man. So if we take bone broth protein, well, that then evens out that the ratio there, and you're a better human because of it. It also has some anti-inflammatory and gut healing benefits as well. Now, the last one I'm going to cover, this is just in case you're a vegan, vegetarian. So bone broth, whey is not going to be congruent to your lifestyle, and that is the plant protein. Now, the reason I love the Max Living plant protein so much is because, first of all, it doesn't have any soy protein in it. I think every other vegan protein I've looked at in the market has soy protein, which if you take enough, it's going to mimic estrogen. It's going to lead to inflammatory disorders, and it's linked to things like cancer, for example. Now, when it comes to plants, you can't get a full spectrum of amino acids in a plant that would be congruent to building muscle and recovering. So you need to get different sources of plants in there so you get the right amount of amino acids. When it comes to the perfect plant protein from Max Living, it's got pea protein in it. It has hemp protein, which is very important because that ratios there has the adequate amino acids you need to recover. And it's also got a veggie blend, so that's going to help. It's going to help with your offsetting acidity within the body. And if you can become more alkaline, you can recover better as well. So we have a full spectrum for you to build lean muscle mass, recover, and enjoy an optimal life.